let's discuss what is the difference between statement and not a statement from the mathematics point of views. Is it clear? So now we are having lot of examples. For example, you can say that Taj Mahal in India is in Agra. Okay. 5 times 5 is 50. Okay. Today is Sunday. So we are having lot of examples. Now the 3 examples which I gave you, one was true, one was false, and for one we can't say is it true or is it false. Okay. So we are having 3 different things, true, false, or can't say whether true or false. So this is the distinction between statement and a not a statement. Okay. So first of all, definition for a statement. Now what definition states now? A mathematically accepted statement is a sentence which is either true or false, but not both simultaneously. Is it clear? Now what example I gave you? Example I gave you that New Delhi is capital of India. Next example can be Taj Mahal is in Agra and Agra is in India. Okay, then we can have example 5 times 7 is equal to 50. Okay, then we can have Earth is a square in shape. So we can take number of examples. Now first 2 examples, this one is true, this one is true, so true. This is a false, this is a false, so false. Now go for the definition. Now a mathematically accepted statement is a sentence which is, now a mathematically accepted statement, here we are using a word statement, is a sentence which is either true or false. It means what? It means both types of examples. 2 examples in case 1, 2 examples in case 2. Both the examples are what? They are statements. Okay. Mathematically accepted statement is a sentence which is either true or false, but not both simultaneously. So for example, we can't say that New Delhi is the capital of India. It can be true, it can be false. Is it clear? So the statements are when the sentence is true, either true or false. Okay, that is called statement. Now for not a statement, now for not a statement, now I gave you an example that today is Sunday. So I can't say it whether it is true or it is false. Okay. Now so don't think that why we can't say it. Suppose I forget. Okay. Anyone can. Suppose I forget what is the today's day. or what is today's date. It normally happens because whenever you are, suppose you are going in a bank to deposit an amount, you will say out of 100, 90 people will ask you, is today is this date? Okay, so that's human psychology. So not a statement is what? When you can't say whether the sentence is true or false. Okay, now a sentence which is true as well as false simultaneously is not a statement. Is not a statement but is called a paradox. Okay, now let's go for an examples. Now, example. Now, men are more intelligent than women. First thing. Then where are you going? Hurrah! We won the match. Shut the door. We can have lot of examples. Okay, so many more examples are there. This question is not true, this question is false. Okay, the question is true. Now the thing is, for the very first part, men are more intelligent than women. The sentence, it can be true also, it can be false also. Where are you going? Now what this is, where are you going? You can say, you can't say, sir, this is true or this is false. Basically what it is from the English point of view. Okay, what it is, English means language. Okay, subject, your subject. Now where are you going? Interrogative sentence. Hurrah, we won the match! Exclamatory sentence. Then shut the door. Imperative. Sentence. Okay, and then question is true or false. Assertive. Okay. So for all these things, now for all these written 4 examples, these are the sentences, but these are not statements. Okay, we can't tell that they are true or they are false. Okay, so they can be true also, they can be false also. And the last thing, I asked you an example, I gave you an example that today is Sunday. So if we are using the words today in a sentence, okay, today, tomorrow, yesterday, here, there. So if we are using all these words and many more words also, then these are also called the non-statements. Okay, so this was the difference between statement, either true or false, neither true nor false, or these types of sentences. These are all non-statements.